I'm risking if I follow you into the unknown, into the unknown, into the unknown. What do you want? You've been keeping me awake. Are you here to distract me from making a big mistake? There's someone out there who's a little bit like me, who knows deep down I'm not where I'm meant to be. Every day's a little harder, and I feel your power grow. Don't know that there's a part of me that likes to go into the unknown, into the unknown. Dan, well done, buddy. Louise, what do you think of Dan's performance?
Dan, I'm going to be brutally honest with you, not me, because I know that you can take it, and I want you to do well in this competition. But that was probably your worst performance of the season so far. It was almost like you didn't know it. Like you just seemed so unsure. There were bits in there where the timing was off. Even the melody was off in some places. Bits were pitchy, and that's just not you. And I don't know what's happened this week for this to happen, but it just really wasn't you. I liked that you took the risk and did the rocky version of a Frozen song. You know, I did like that you took that risk. I just think you needed more time in order to execute it properly. But you're worth so much more than that performance that you've shown us this week, and I am a bit gutted. But just take the advice on board, you know, and next week just please, you know, if you make it through this week, next week just take the song by the horns and just ride with it throughout the whole week. Don't just choose the song halfway through the week and just kind of get by on it. Really, you know, work hard and show us what you're capable of and bring the old Dan back. But well done.
Kelly?
Yeah, I love the potential for this song because I think we've said a few times we'd like to hear you cover a rock song, and although this wasn't typically a rock song, it was a rock version of a song. So I was really excited when it first started, but I think it did get a little bit messy then, unfortunately. Your falsetto was nice though. I think your falsetto was probably the strongest that I've heard it, and it was the strongest part of your performance. So it was nice that you brought that out. I would just maybe take a little bit more time in future and get extremely comfortable with the song, so that you don't sort of like let yourself down in comparison to other performances that you've done, because that had the potential to be amazing. Unfortunately, it just fell a little bit flat. Having said that, I love the fact that you put a load of effort into your background, you know, with the Frozen theme and everything. So well done for that. Well done.
Yeah, Dan. So it's a tricky one really, because obviously, like, you've been standing out like a sore thumb for us the last couple of weeks. Well, since the get-go. And I think sometimes when somebody is given so much compliments and goodness, sometimes it does add that extra pressure on them where they feel like, right, I've got to take things a step further. And that's good, because I'm glad you took the challenge. But it is gutting because it didn't work out as well as it could have if you had more time to perfect it, to get all of them last notes right. There was some of that you could have actually done on your chest, from hearing your sound previous weeks and that. But like I said, I think all have happened here is that you've just bitten off too much too soon. And that's what have happened. You kind of thought, right, I'm going to have to step it up. I'm going to have to try something they're not going to expect. I'm going to have to push my voice even further. I'm going to have to change to make the background even more. So you've taken on way too much and it's just gone, you know. So what we need to do is just calm down, take a breather, take your time. And again, you should, I don't know if you did watch this back, but you should definitely watch your videos back straight away. Background this week, I got to be honest, and I got to be completely honest with you, the best has been. So fair play to what you've done with the background this week, with the green screen and that. It was pucker. So I definitely say to keep doing that with your videos. They look great. The sound, I don't know if you changed your sound this week, but there was like a slight tinny echo to your voice. So whatever you did to the sound this week, that needs to go, because it's taken away. It was very tinny and echoey, like if you was in the middle of nowhere, you know. So be careful of that, what you're doing with your sound. And then just thirdly, like I said, just be aware. Like, we want you to take risks, we want you to challenge yourself, but listen to them back. If something's not perfect in it, don't send it, redo it, all right? Other than that, well done on taking on this challenge. Fair play to you, buddy. The minute it started, people wouldn't have expected to do this. So well done. Live now and learn from it for next time. Well done.